Hey there, welcome to Breakfast Care. I'm Karen Taylor, licensed acupuncturist, and I have been practicing acupuncture for over 25 years. I wanted to find a way to bring the wisdom of Chinese medicine to people in their homes, a way to harness the power of the wisdom of what we know about digestion. I found that congee, a meal that's famous in Asia for its digestive benefits, to be an excellent way to achieve this. It's so easy, and when you have it prepackaged like this, all you need to do is pour it into the little slow cooker, add about 5 times as much water, which is 2.5 to 3 cups, set it to low, and let it cook while you sleep. You wake up to a delicious, healthy breakfast ready and waiting for you. It's made with gluten-free, organic ingredients of the highest quality, I will assure you. And it has so many benefits that include healing digestion, boosting metabolism, adding a whole bunch of hydration to your day, being a gentle cleanse because all of this whole fiber gets really soft with so much water, and it's a gentle healing cleanse that regulates your elimination. My favorite part, that it's so easy and my breakfast is ready and waiting and smells so good when I wake up in the morning. I hope you enjoy it. Welcome to the Wisdom of Warm.